Janet from Try It Like It Create It, and today I want to share with you an unboxing of Sola flowers that I just got. And these are made by a company called Sola Wood Flowers, and the flowers are just so delicate, and they are wooden, and you get to color them. So I wanted to share with you what came in my kit, and I ordered a few extra things. So first off are the colors. I was trying to go for a blue set, so I ordered these colors, I believe, to go with my blue set. And the reason I say I believe is because I have other colors that I ordered, another kit. So let me set those off to the side. And then I got some foam to go in the vase itself, and you get to order whichever color you want. Like I said, I went with a blue color, so this was the wood vase that I got, and had it stained blue for my project. And then I got a glue stick, which I'll just set aside here. And then I got this set of skewers to put the flowers on. And then I got greenery here. And then I got this huge bag of wooden flowers. And I just want to show you how beautiful and delicate. I can't believe this is wood. They're so soft, but they are fragile, and you get to color them. So there's a huge variety of styles in here. Let me grab another one to show you. So this one here has the kind of natural color on the outside of the petals. And if you look closely here, you can see that they're tied off or tied together with string, and I'm assuming they do this when they're moist or wet, and then bundle them together to make flowers. Let me see if I can reach in here, grab a different look. So then there's this one that's all coiled, and like I said, so very soft. But you're going to color them with the colors that I showed you for the project. So all of this, I believe, is a starter set for like $19.95. In addition to that, I ordered this ceramic vase. On their website, it looked more blue than green, but here what I have in front of me is actually more of a green colored vase. So that's for a different project. I ordered some Sola softener, and if I tilt the bottle here, you can see it's kind of a gloopy liquid, and you add this to your water to soften the wood. So I thought that was kind of an important thing to have. I ordered an extra set of colors, and they come in groupings, but this is the set I ordered, I believe. Butterscotch, raisin, powdered pink, ruby red, and navy. And I say I believe because I'm just not sure if this navy goes with this set or if it was from the other set. But anyway, these are more colors to do more flowers, because I also ordered an assortment set and got this big bag of flowers. And you can see that their shapes are a little bit different than what was in the other bag. So I can't wait to craft with them. I'm going to have to get set up for it. From what I understand is that you mix the colors with the softener and some water, and then you dip the flowers into them and then let the flowers set off to the side to dry, and that's how you color them with their paint. I'm calling this paint. I'm not exactly sure if it is, but it looks like consistency of paint. So that's what you do with them, and I'm looking forward to do my first arrangement. But like I said, I need to get set up for that because I need to have enough room to set out the flowers to dry. after I paint them. So come back, look forward to that tutorial on making the starter project with Sola wood flowers. And thank you to them for providing me with the products for this video, as well as the project that I'll be doing with them.